Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Bluetooth 4.0 wireless multiple color rainbow LED backlit keyboard. Alright, so today we happen to get our RII backlit keyboard. This one does have a pretty RGB rainbow backlit, which will help you use this in the dark. It will auto turn off when you idle to conserve power for it when it's mostly needed. Not only is a light style, it's mixed of color. It could not change the light. You've got the power port, you've got the on and off switch. So this is used for multi-functions. It can use with Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, laptops. So this is versatile. As long as you have a Bluetooth device, it will connect. So you have this little power button right here with the light switch. That one turns the lights on. You can see that one side is purple, then it goes into pinky red, into a green color. It is super nice. It is lightweight. It is thin. It doesn't take much battery. In fact, this keyboard can charge up to a few hours, can keep it used up to 70 hours of a backlit off. Mostly meet your demand when going outside, so whenever you're using this in a dark time, so you don't have to worry about it not seeing the keys. So I know there's been some controversy about this not having a power plug. Only use the one that comes with this. This one uses a micro Android charging port, so I do have one here on hand, and it does fit and it does charge. I'm just going to go ahead and show you that it does charge. So if you have a micro Android connector like this one, it will work. So what we're going to do is plug it into the back of the keyboard. You have the port right here. Just plug it in there. And for demonstration purposes, I do have a power bank because I don't have the plug right on hand. I'm going to connect this into a power bank. So this is going into my power bank, and then I'm going to show you that it does charge. So if your wire does not work with this, or you have lost it, you can use a regular micro Android charging cable. It does work. Right now the lights are not turning on because I do have it turned off. It does have a really nice long battery, no worried about it dying, and once it does die, you do have a backup charger. It does use the micro Android charger. If you are looking for a nice keyboard that has a nice backlit and it is durable, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's a super nice one, and it does charge quickly.